Hello there my people. In our last episode, we've been looking into the usage of a washing machine. But right now, I want to take you through the episode of a dryer. Do you know the difference between a washer or a washing machine and a dryer? I am taking you through this journey so that you can understand, learn more, and also know more about a dryer apart from having a washing machine. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share widely. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
We have our dryer here. This is a dryer for
Okay, this is a dryer. This is inside the same process you did with the duvet.
so here it has different settings because it is a dryer.
So this is the dryer machine. After washing machine, you've completely washed your cloth. You put in the dryer for it to dry up completely. Kindly get us through the processes.
A dryer has a few settings here for high temperature dry, mid temperature dry, and low temperature dry, and no heat dry. So and then it depends on the fabric type is made of. For example, if it is a duvet which has most of the wool, it is advisable we use low temperature because it can cause fire. So we use low temperature while drying it.
And when you are washing, use medium temperature.
So I have a duvet there. So this is a blanket duvet. It's much heavier. So let us try and try it. So our dryer here is
Now
can take to 9 to 15 kgs.
This is a washed duvet. We are going to dry it using a drying machine.
So dryer makes it will take fewer time to dry.
Like how long does it take?
So for this one, because the duvet we can estimate it's around 7 to 9 kgs. So we can set up. We can use a medium temperature.
How did you know the kgs?
Depending on the size, because the duvet here is 6 by 6, so I can
Estimate
that it is much heavier. So and it's almost drying up. We can set up time. So we will use setup for medium. So while this is the number of minutes will take, so I can select 10 to 20 minutes, 40. I think with 40 now, I think the duvet will be ready. Will be already dried
up.
So
Okay.
we can start with here.
Oh, this one just put the temperature, then you start.
Yes.
Oh.
The dryer does not use any water. It's only electricity.
Okay.
We are good to go.
Why do you dry it up with the machine?
Sometimes customers want their product as soon as possible, so that is why we always use washing machine to fasten the work. And for also express services, the dryer is very important so that you can use smaller time to finish the task. So our duvet is dry. It has completed the drying cycle, so we can open now and remove it. So as you can feel it, the duvet is dry.
Let me feel it. Oh, it's warm. Yeah, there's no water. Look at my hand. There's no water. Yeah, it has dried up.
So we put it here for some few minutes.
You said when you put up there, what are you doing for?
For airflow only, and then we wrap it before wrapping it.
Okay. Why? What if you rub it directly?
Because because it is still warm, so it will not. It is not advisable. We wrap immediately after removing it from dry. You guys, you remember we had a duvet that we were putting inside the washing machine. So the washing cycle is complete now, and we want to remove it and take it to the dryer.
So when it completes, it stops.
Yes.
It doesn't indicate, it just stops.
It just stops. This is that automatic washing machine. When the cycle is complete, it's just stop.
Okay, let's go.
So we remove our duvet. Wow. Yes, it.
Guys, do you remember the color of the duvet before it was washed? Let me touch. It has some wetness, so we are going to dry it up.
We are going to dry it up now. So we transfer to
The drying machine.
the dryer.
The drying
The
machine.
dryer.
Okay.
Yes. And then that's it. We set up.
What are you connecting? Let me see.
I am connecting
The
power button there.
the power button is here.
Yes.
Okay. And the one that you are holding is?
This is the duct for removing the vapor outside.
From the duvet that has been washed. Okay, let's continue. Have you started?
Because we have just removed from the washing machine, so we need to dry. So we are setting up. We let us set up to 40 minutes, and it will dry
Within 40 minutes.
in 40 minutes.
Okay.
That is cool. So we can start now.
You started to dry it up.
Don't forget to remove the duct outside because of the fiber.
Oh, when you're drying, you're supposed to move this one outside.
Yes.
It carries the fiber.
All the fiber, hiyo maji moto ndogo yenye inatokanga kwa yenye inatolewa kwa hiyo wetness yenye ndio inatolewa hapo.
It goes through this duct. Now that's why we put the duct outside so that it drops outside.
Unaona kitu kichemka kwa ukifunguanga sufuria hiyo moshi.
Yes, the vapor.
So the same thing.
Oh, the vapor, that's the vapor. Wow. Okay.
Yes. So once the drying is complete,
So
we complete the washing cycle.
after drying it up again, we will put it up
For air circulation and air circulation and drying faster before folding up.
So it's for air circulation drying up because it has heat when you remove it from the dryer.
Yes.
Okay. Guys, now you got it. We have the washing machine here and we've taken you through all the processes that it has to take when you want to wash your cloth or the duvet. After washing your cloth, you take it to the drying machine here. Now we put, because we've washed our duvet, we've put our duvet inside here for 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, we are going to remove it. Then we hang it on the cloth line
For a few minutes.
for air circulation.
For air circulation and remove the remaining fragrance or scent.
Fine. Guys, now you got your services done. What is the difference between a drying machine and a washing machine?
The drying machine is specifically used for drying. So there is no use of water, so it's used for drying only. It is not connected to any water or anything. It is just electricity, and that is all.
And a washing machine?
Washing machine is a washer, so it's connected to water, and then the function of the washing machine now is to do the laundry now, to remove the stains, to rinse and to spin. So that is the difference. That is why on a washing machine there is a detergent compartment where you put detergent. There is water inlet, water outlet. But on a dryer, it is just a drum where you put your clothes and then dry.
Yes, guys, and there's something I've also learned here. In a drying machine, we have something we call a duck. A duck removes the vapor from the cloth, that wetness. The duck is here, so it has been put here outside so that it drains the vapor outside, but it's directly connected to the drying machine. So it's here, it's directly connected to the drying machine. Do you have trainings for those who want to learn? Because there are those who don't know about the washing machine, the drying machine, or the difference between a washing machine and a drying machine.
For now, we don't have, but if there is anybody who is ready to learn on how to use a washing machine, we are ready to help.
They still reach you out on that contact?
Yes. 0713 179 798 is available on WhatsApp.
So you guys, I know you have a washing machine in your house. Do you have all the equipment that you've seen here? If you don't have, I know you still need to have a class. Come and visit Villanlaundry for more. This guy is available for everybody. If you feel like you want to learn, you are most welcome. If you feel like you want just to experiment, you are also welcome. He's available. If you want to do your washings, your laundry, and even ironing, Villanlaundry is available for you.
Opening days, we open from Monday to Monday for 7 days a week.
How many hours? From what time?
From 8 a.m. in the morning till 9 p.m. in the evening. We also do express services for customers that have urgency on their clothes. We also do express services at very affordable prices.
We have many people watching you live online and they would like to reach you out. How can they get you?
So on Outer Ring Road there is Pata stage. So we are behind Pata stage along King's International Academy Road. Our form of contact is, our mobile number is 0713 179 798. Alternative phone number is 0703 680 701. We also have social media handles on Facebook. You can search Villanlaundry Services, on Twitter Villanlaundry Services, Instagram Villanlaundry Services, TikTok also Villanlaundry Services.
Any YouTube channel?
We have also a YouTube channel, Villanlaundry Services. So welcome all to Villanlaundry Services.
Wow, that's so nice. Guys, you've heard. It is located along Outer Ring Road, behind Butter Stage, on your way to New Savo Building, but next to King's International Academy.
For laundry services, we are here for you.
Okay, guys, you got it. We had put another duvet in the dryer, and I can see it has stopped. So what next?
After drying cycle is complete, it's now we remove now and put it on the clothesline for a few minutes before folding it. So for this one now is ready now. So it's ready for folding. So let me remove so that I can hang the other one. So this one is ready. Smell nice. Okay. That is really next.
So what you've removed because it's ready, it has dried up. The air circulation has gone through it. Now you want to hang this one again. Okay.
So drying cycle is complete. I just open the door and remove the
And as we continue with that one, as you put it on the cloth line, do you have any precautions that you can tell the viewers?
Precautions. There are some clothes that are not supposed to be washed on washing machine. So we always read the tags on the cloth before starting the process of washing. So the precautions are written on the cloth. So we always check before.
So you mean like human is to error, because I know many people don't know about this. So every cloth has been written for laundry or not for laundry, or for washing machine, and these are not for washing
There are
machine.
clothes that are for unwash only. There are clothes that are supposed to be ironed. There are clothes that are supposed not to be ironed. Always there is always a tag inside a clothes that is showing the instruction on how to wash or on how to iron. So we always read those tags before starting the washing process.
So the one written on the tag, is it not for washing machine or not for drying machine, or both?
For both.
For both.
We always read all the instructions for washing and for drying.
An example of a cloth that doesn't require a washing machine.
There is an option of dry cleaning now.
Or dry cleaning.
Yes.
So guys, just Google what's dry cleaning, what is using washing machine. Guys, we're done. We've already washed this duvet. We've dried it up. Now we've put it on the cloth line for the air circulation to pass through before it is folded for the client to pick. If you have any question about laundry, just ask. You'll be answered. You'll get an answer direct from Villanlaundry, and everything that you need is going to be worked out. So don't struggle with your clothing, because you have Villanlaundry for you. Vin, thank you for your time.
Thank you very much for awarding me this opportunity to market myself.
Okay.
And I'm urging all my customers to come and support me. All are welcome.
Karibuni sana, and I'm so happy because I myself have really learned a lot, especially this thing. Hey, if you can remember this thing, on the comment section, tell me what is this one, and what is its purpose. Don't forget to subscribe, like at Redster Media. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.